Alright y'all, so welcome back to the channel.
What's back to show them?
As you can tell by the title of the video, we are going to be doing a Shein try-on haul for kids. So we have finally decided to jump on the Shein bandwagon. We got about 7 outfits, I want to say, for like $35. I'll insert it here so that y'all can see. And we're just going to try these outfits on so that y'all can see how they fit Araya. Before we get into the video, all of the Shein clothes are a size 7 youth. Araya is 5, but Araya has long limbs. So like her arms are long, her legs are also long. And because they was coming from Shein, you know, China, I didn't know exactly how they would fit. So I wanted to give her some growing room. So we did get all of these a size 7. We did have to tack some in the back so that they would fit because they were a little too long. So I guess the 6 would have worked for her. But anyway, she'll be able to wear them this year. She'll be able to wear them next year as well because they're a bigger size. So I think that's all that y'all need to know up front. So just stay tuned. So this is the first outfit. So it's like some cheetahs. Come here, come closer. You got cheetah, some flowers right here. It says mini girls, like safari type. The pants also have cheetah and flowers on them, and they're bell bottoms. Stand back so you can see. Back some more. So like I said, this is a size 7, so they are long. Come here, turn around. I had to take in the back right here and right here, just 2 little stitches so that they would fit her waist. But the length isn't that bad.
Oh,
Turn up.
okay.
Turn around. So that's the first outfit. So this is the second outfit. Turn around. She got some hearts on her pants. Come here. So you got a heart on the shirt. It says kind, K-I-N-D. Some hearts on the pants. I also had to take these in the back because like I said, her waist is little. And we did get a size 7. But the length is fine. Back up. Back up. Let's see the length. The length is fine. So this is another cute little outfit from Shein. You can turn around. I told you the model. So this is the second outfit. I think that is cute as well. Alright, so this is the third outfit. This is one of my favorites. Back up, huh? Back up. I don't want to see the bottom. So it's like a bandana patchwork. Turn around the back. Come here. You also get the little scrunchy sides. I don't know what it's called. It's like a scrunchy side right here. Scrunchy side right there. And I love the little pocket up here. It's really a pocket. So if your kids like pockets, they can stick something in the pocket. I also had to take up the sides in the back on these because like I said, we did get a bigger size so that she can have some growing room, and also because she's long. And I don't think the length is bad. Back up.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. And also the pants are scrunchy too. So the scrunchie is just like the side scrunchie. So this is another cute outfit. One of my favorites, like I said. And yeah, she's ready for school. Gonna spin around. All right, next outfit. So this is outfit number 4. Back up.
Mommy, I almost finished.
I know you almost finished. Back up so I can see your outfit.
2 left. Mommy's 2 left. Mommy.
So these some black pants. You see the little flowers, I guess. These also had, well, all of the outfits have color options, but I wanted to see her in some brown, I guess, because she didn't have much brown in her closet. So this is why I chose this color. Stand up. So you got a little bow right here. So you can wear the shirt tucked in.
Yeah.
She turn around. Put the arms out. These are the arms.
Mommy, yeah.
As you can see, the arms are big. Like I said, that's because we got a bigger size, but they don't look too bad, I don't think. Let's see the pants. This is what the length looks like. Back up. Back up. Yeah. There you go. Now turn around. So we did take in the back as well, just the same way that we did the other two. Just put 2 little tacks in the back so it could fit her waist. If you wanted to wear the top out and not in, let's see.
Okay. It's up to my navels.
I guess you could wear it like this as well. Turn around. See, that's another cute outfit. Come on. All right, so this is number 5, 6. I can't remember.
No, never. No, we're in color 4 and it was color 5.
So 5 is next?
Yeah.
I don't think 5 next, but I don't know.
No, 6 right there.
But I thought that was 7.
No, that's 6.
7, 6,
No,
5,
no.
4.
No, 1,
3,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, she might be right. So what number you said this is?
6. And it's
Or 5? It's 5. That's 6.
Yeah.
Okay, so she said this is 5 and that's 6. She's keeping track better than me. So this is outfit number 5. This is another outfit similar to one of the first ones we showed y'all.
Yeah, I got crayons.
Yeah, you got crayons.
It says crayons.
It says getting my crayon on.
Yeah,
So I thought this was perfect, especially for school.
On.
Good job. Stand back.
That's so tight.
I did pull these up kind of sort of over her stomach just because the pants are bell bottom.
My pants so cute.
Your pants are cute. So step back and let them see your cute pants. Stand back. See, you got the bell bottom pants. Stand back a little bit more. Step back a little bit more so I can see the bottom. Yep, the bell bottom pants. So yeah, like I said, I pulled it up over her stomach because the pants are long. She did wear these with her black chucks. They still were long, but it wasn't too long. And also, when she did wear this, I did put a rubber band right here because I felt the shirt was kind of big. So I did put a rubber band. It's not in here no more. It's not in here no more. But I did have a rubber band right here, so I kind of tacked it right there with the rubber band. And this is how she wore it. Because like I said, the shirt just kind of big to me.
The back and the side with a mouth set. And you not making myself out.
I don't know what she's talking about, y'all. But yeah, so this is another people. This is
be,
another one of my
I
favorites.
want to be a ballerina.
You want to be a ballerina?
If I could twist like this. And you did this. And just, that's what I do want to be a ballerina.
All right, you ready for the last outfit? Okay. All right, so this is the last outfit. This is number 6. So her shirt says positive and happy.
Positive to my happy
Positive
face.
and happy. You're happy face.
Positive to my happy face.
All right, move back so they can see the outfit. Come here.
Oh,
All right, so this is like a tropical, I guess you want to call it.
that's like that.
So you got the little flowers on the blue pants. You got the purple shirt. Like I said, as with all of the other outfits, they do have multiple colors to choose from. I did get purple to match her brother. Don't Shy got an outfit like this?
Yeah.
Shy got an outfit. Her brother got an outfit like this, but his are shorts.
Woo!
Come here. As everything else, we did have to take these pants in.
And then my panties and my shorts.
I have
and my
these
shirt.
up right above her navel.
Hello, my name is Raya and I got the cute shirt.
Hello, my name is Raya and I got a cute shirt. Now let me see the limb. It's right above her navel, and this is the limb. Turn around. Turn around. So yeah, I think that was another cute outfit. Not bad at all.
Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.
Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you next time.
Peace.